Parents and educators, I'm Josh with smartsocial.com, and if you join this course or log in, I'm going to walk you through social media challenges, the parent guide. We're going to walk you through what the dangerous challenges are, some of the more safe, fun ones are, what you need to know as parents, and a whole lot more. First, let's watch a video so you can understand how serious this is. Bodily harm is one of the most common dangers from a lot of social media challenges. Hear what an orthopedic surgeon had to say about social media challenges and the milk crate challenge. Warning, what you're about to see will make you cringe.
Why, from a medical perspective, do you have concerns about this type of stuff?
Well, my question is, why do the TikTokers have to pick a challenge that has such a high rate of bodily harm in the first place? Maybe that's part of the thrill. But, I watched some of these videos in prep for this, and it seems that a lot of times that top milk crate kind of kicks out. So the legs go out from underneath you and you end up falling, and you can do a lot of bad stuff. Let's start with, not the very least, breaking your doggone neck. But
like watching them, I'm in pain watching some of these falls, thinking what would lead someone to want to do that?
It's obviously the challenge and the thrill, like a lot of these other things. But
And parents and educators, as you can see, that hurts, right? So why do students want to do social media challenges? Well, first, the thrill of the chase. Here's what we're covering in this course. If you become a member or sign up, you're going to learn about what these challenges are all about and how they get started. 5 examples of what experts say about the dangers of social media challenges for students. The top 7 reasons why parents and educators care and why you want to know. And next, 12 tips you can use today to talk with your students about social media challenges. That's right. If you just bring your kids into this course, we'll actually talk to them for you and with you to strengthen that relationship. We know it's not easy, so we're here to help. Bonus tips, we have those student tips. You bring your students in on it. Now you can scan this to learn more about our VIP program, Very Informed Parent Program, so you can support us and get access to 130 plus guides like this that are going to keep your kids safe. Schools, let us help you reach your parents. You can scan the one on the bottom left to learn about our anti-bullying platform, and the one on the bottom right to learn about how to partner and just set up a call with us so that we can show you all of our programs, especially if you're a superintendent, assistant super, director, or principal. We'll take great care of you and make sure you understand all the tools you can use to protect your students. I'm Josh Oakes. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you'll become a member of our VIP program, Very Informed Parents. As always, keep it light, bright, and polite. Your students are watching. We'll see you soon.